Please don't stop the music.
Okay. Hi, YouTube. Okay. I hope this thing is recording. Like, hold on. Let me see real quick. Hold on. Okay, you guys are good. Okay, you can see me. Okay, today I'm going to do my summer look, which is what I have right now. Excuse my hair because it's like only like 11 o'clock. I ain't even did it because my nephew's here. When my nephew's here, I don't really do a lot of stuff. Okay. And it's Happy Mother's Day to all the mommies. My mommy's upstairs asleep. But this is my summer look. Is my light good? I hope it is. Okay. And I was gonna wear yellow, but that's why I got the yellow shirt on, but I ain't gonna use it. But I'm just gonna use blue and green. Like this, and I have fake lashes on today. I took my sister glue. Okay, so if you want to see me do this, look, stay tuned. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking because last time I talked, and I talked a lot, and my sister got mad at me. So I'm gonna be having my earphones in. No, I'm not even gonna do that. That's ghetto. Okay, but anyways, just stay tuned. Enjoy the look. Okay. I already put on my base. You know how your eyeshadow insurance, whatever you want to use. But I use Dream Matte Mousse. And I think I just need a little more. My eyebrows look so horrible. I hate growing on me. But they're getting a little crazy. Okay. Hold on, YouTube's my sister. Hello. Oh, hold on. The number is 562. Hurry up, because I'm doing YouTube right now. I'm on the phone. And I'm recording. 472-9655. Bye. Drama with her. Okay. So, anyways. Back to my look. Okay. So, we're going to use Elf Cream Base and Blueberry. If you watch my sister YouTube with her Winter Wonderland, she did this because she tried to copy me all the time. And what you're gonna do is get some blue. Just use a little small angle brush. And you're just gonna do it on the crease of your eye, like just like this. It's a gloomy day outside in California. Not very bright today. I'm tired. So tired from the party I went to the other day. Okay, so you just see just a blue. It's like a base, so my blue will pop more. And that's it. Okay. So then I'm gonna put this away because we're gonna be using it a little bit. But these cost $1. This is nice. Like, go to Food for Less. That's where I get it from. Cost $1, and they're nice, like real nice, pretty. This is not the I got all this stuff because it's not even my room, so I'm unorganized in here. Okay, well I guess I'm gonna have to use this, and I don't like that though. Sorry, but my stupid sister didn't charge her camera, so it died. But all I did was, oops, I attempted to put on my eyelash. You know what? Gosh, I don't know what I just did with the tweezers. Hold on. I just lost the tweezers again. Like I lose everything in this room. But anyways, my eyelash is coming up. We're just gonna push them down for right now. So I'm really not thinking it. Pick the highlight. And that's stylutter again. Oh, and all I did was just do my eyebrows while the camera was off. And put on the lashes. That's it. Nothing to it. Put on my breezy brush. Blush and breezy. Is this thing recording? Hold on. Yeah, okay. My video gonna be so messed up. Okay, and let me do my lips. My lips. I had this lipstick I wanted to use, but me being a difficult person. Oh, there you go. Okay. A lipstick, and this is Wet n Wild in Pure Sky. I know it looks funny, but pretty. It's like a nude. Cause I figure like when you use like real bright colors, your lips shouldn't be like super like bright. You should have like the nudist color. You know, it's like have them. That's too much lifted on. I like that song. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a cute song. And I love him, I love him, I love him. That is it, YouTube. So this is, sorry but my lashes come off. But this is my summer look using greens and blues. Simple. My bow came out. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Sorry if my video's like super tacky, but blame my sister. But happy Mother's Day. Stay snazzy, YouTube.